Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for a single account on Instagram. So if you have multiple accounts on Instagram and you only want to turn off notifications for one of them, I'll show you how to do that in this video today. So first things first, go to the account that you want to turn off the notifications on. I'll use this anime meme page I have. And once you go to account, go to the profile homepage. Once you're here, click on the three bars in the top right corner and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you are going to want to click on notifications. It should be the third option down. Once you click on notifications, this will show up and you have a couple options here. You can click pause all, but that will only stop the notifications up to 8 hours. So if you want to stop it forever, then you'll have to go to all of these options and turn off the notifications for each option. Like this, you go through and click off on all of them. So those are two things that you can do. It might take a little bit of time because Instagram doesn't have any way to just turn it all off at once, but that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.